Sad, come on. So, flip it over. This is the Kubernetes code in a you can't see, it's all you can see is a logo, but it's actually the code for Kubernetes. Saad, you all are so awesome. I'm gonna actually, it's like the Grammys, I'm gonna customize this for you. So, yeah, you actually can't take that home just yet. All right? No, but your whole SIG is so awesome. We never have to talk to you, and I think you're wonderful. So, yeah. Yeah. We work with so many wonderful people, and it's so hard to do rewards and recognition, but that's something that our SIG is willing to, well, not willing, but we are going to break ground on next year, which is coming up with more reward and recognition systems. Special shout outs to just a couple people like Jordan. Jordan is awesome at triage. I don't know if many folks in here actually go into the Kubernetes users group on Slack with 53,000 people, but Jordan is in there. And I have the data to prove it now. Jordan is consistently in the top 3 for most messages on Slack, and he consistently updates CVEs that are closed with updates, and it's really wonderful. Is Jordan here? No? Jordan's probably doing work.
Yeah.
So that
It's merging.
Yeah. And then last but not least, we are going to the last award.
Okay, one more, and then we're going to remember the group photo is going to be out here where you had breakfast. Can we get the release managers for this year up? Here, Tim, Aish, Josh Burkus. Is Jace available? So all these people do a great job. And something we really wanted to do was give the release team a method of rewarding people who not just do great work on a single release, but have been have shown consistent excellence throughout 2018. We've released 4 releases this year. So real quick, introduce yourselves and, I don't know, say something about yourself real quick. So we know who you are, and then...
Fun fact.
Fun fact.
Okay, hello, I'm Aishwarya Sundar. I was the release lead for 113, which went out last Monday. Fun fact, I was a new contributor who just joined Kubernetes in April, and that just goes to show how an amazing community this is, which kind of supports and promotes people, and then helps them go ahead and lead a release. So yeah, A to all of you.
Also trial by fire, for the record, if those of you who are new contributors.
I'm Tim Pepper. I was the release team lead for 112 just before Aish. I joined the community a year and change ago. And actually, this ordering, so this is the progression, 11, 12, 13. Josh, a year ago, was poking me saying, you should get involved in the release team. KubeCon last year. We left the conference with people saying, well, I think you're going to have to lead the next release, basically getting voluntold to do it. And similarly with Aish, this is a chain of mentoring.
Cool. I'm Josh Burkus. I was 111 release lead. Actually, one of the things that's been really fun is I was 111 release lead, and Aish did CI signal for that release. And so we had a gap in CI signal continuity, and so now I'm doing CI signal for Aish's release. Because it's got to get done. And the one weird fact is I make pottery. So.
So can we talk about Jace just real quick? Is Jace Singer Dumars around? Probably working. Can you just mention him real quick?
So for people who don't know Jace, you may see him right now helping with architecture, steering, or organizational things. Prior to that, he spent a lot of time, multiple releases, on the release team, similarly organizing. I'd say he had a hand in bringing each of us into the process as well. So again, just actively mentoring, bringing in the next generation. Great role model.
Yeah, the structure that we have right now for the release team with the roles and the mentorship and stuff, that was Jace.
He's a great sponsor. Sometimes you need somebody else to give that small nudge to say you can do it, and he's one of those folks who always does it for everybody.
So the award is basically release leads, your discretion. It took about a week to get some quorum out of you. Can you talk about the person that you've selected and maybe kind of describe this person a little bit? And then we'll have them come up.
So we went back and forth on a bunch of people who've contributed. And for people who don't know, the release team, we have a set of volunteers, we have a set of volunteer shadows. And then there's consistently 3 or 4 people, and it varies from release to release across the year. There's people who just step up and are an informal part of the team. So this is one of those people. They've, again, just so extremely active that you don't even understand how they have time to do all of this when, again, it's not their core job or they're formally volunteered on other things. So what else do other people want to say?
And particularly, we selected the individual because one of the things that happens with every release during code freeze and code slush towards the end of the release is we get into crunch time, where there's things that are failing, there's things that are not passing tests. We're looking at holding up the release. And whoever would normally be responsible for the technical area is for some reason not available. And this individual's been one of the people to step up and try to solve those bugs so we can still get the release out on time, which we have done.
Again, I go back to the community. We lean in on a lot of individuals to get the release out. And this person, anecdotally, I could just ping on Slack and say, can I have a call with you right now? I need to discuss something. And the person was right there to discuss it and resolve it. And that's how accessible and yet highly technical and the person is to help us unblock the release. I'd like you announce it, George.
Okay. All right. Dims, can you come up?
That's a wrap.
Quick announcement. Jordan Liggett's in the room now. Everyone wanted to thank him, but he wasn't here. So
Jordan!
Can we get a repeat of the thing? Okay. Yeah, just come up.
Just come on
Yeah.
up. We're having a party up here.
I didn't even know he existed. I thought he was like 4 people in like a fictional character that they created. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna, at 5 o'clock, we're gonna try to take a group photo by where we have breakfast. Real quick, on the way out, the people who've helped this event, Megan at CNCF along with Caitlin, Bob, Jeff, Noah Abrams, Chris Short, Jason, Mario, Loria, where are you? Stand up, raise your hands, come on. All of the room monitors, did I miss anybody? Zadev, anybody else who helped out with planning that I'm missing? Paris, great sweater, ask her about it. Who else? Lindsay, thank you. I miss anybody? Gwen? How was the new contributor summit?
Yeah,
Huh?
what's up?
Okay, so new contributors, really quick, stand up. This will be your graduation ceremony.
Let's graduate.
Yeah.
Yes.
Welcome to the Kubernetes community, and we hope you continue your journey with us. And with that, let's get a photo and let's get to work. Only 4 more days, everybody.
Only 4 more days. Everybody meet in the lobby. We're going to attempt a group photo. Let's do it.